What really happened to our health? Part 4, Hormones. Hello guys, Jennifer again. Let's talk about hormones, and how deeply they're intertwined with our health, energy, and body. Everyone's talking about metabolism, but metabolism is controlled by hormones, and hormones are controlled by everything you've probably been told to ignore: light, sleep, stress, gut health, even your nervous system. So if your hormones feel off, if your energy's tanking, your cycle's weird, your sleep sucks, and your body's not responding to anything anymore, maybe it's not your willpower, maybe it's your rhythm. Let's talk about what really happened to our hormone health. Hormones. The real story: hormones are not just about fertility or mood swings. They are the command center for metabolism, fat storage, energy, thyroid function, even your brain chemistry. Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, insulin, cortisol, thyroid hormones, they all interact. When one gets thrown off, the others usually follow. So what's disrupting them? Spoiler, it's not just carbs or calories. Sunlight and sleep. Hormonal anchors: our hormones follow light. Morning sunlight tells your brain, wake up, raise cortisol, get moving. Evening darkness cues melatonin, rest, and repair. Poor sleep doesn't just make you tired, it disrupts the entire hormone web. Your insulin response worsens. Cortisol stays high. Thyroid slows. Estrogen and testosterone drop. Your body gets confused, and you feel it. People say not to eat after dark. But let's be real. If a caveman caught a bear at dusk, you think they skipped the feast. That said, eating right before bed, especially heavy meals, can interfere with sleep and make it harder for your body to shift into recovery mode. It's not about fear, it's about rhythm. Gut bacteria. The hidden hormone factory. Here's what most people miss. Your gut bacteria regulate your hormones too. The estrobalome, specific gut microbes, help metabolize estrogen. Other bacteria influence dopamine, serotonin, and even insulin sensitivity. When your microbiome is damaged by antibiotics, seed oils, processed foods, you don't just get bloating. You get hormonal chaos, estrogen dominance, blood sugar spikes, anxiety, fat storage. A healthy gut equals a healthier hormonal environment. The fasting rebuttal. What they're not telling you: fasting is praised like a miracle. But for many women, it's been a disaster. Research shows that fasting, especially extended or aggressive fasting, can lower estrogen, progesterone, and thyroid T3 levels, raise cortisol, your stress hormone, reduce DHEA and testosterone, increase ghrelin, your hunger hormone. What does that mean in real life? Fatigue, muscle loss, anxiety, food obsession, missed periods, even nervous system. I tried fasting. It didn't heal me. It made me sick. And I'm not alone. So what actually supports hormones? What works isn't restriction. It's rhythm. Get natural light early in the day. Sleep in the dark. Protect that circadian repair cycle. Eat nourishing, whole foods. Move your body, gently or intensely, just consistently. Feed your gut with real fiber and fermented foods. Hormones don't want perfection. They want consistency. They want alignment with nature. Let's stop pretending that starving ourselves is healing, because it's not. Real hormone health starts with light, rest, nourishment, and rhythm. Not willpower, not restriction. Keto and fasting. Been there. Done with that. This is the real wellness revolution.